Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of these Meigo Magnetic blocks. How well we can see it. I have the camera at a different angle today as we're trying something new. It's got 30 pieces to it. It's multicolored, plastic and magnetic, suitable for children over 3 years. Now I forgot to grab something to open this with, but I think I'm getting... I always forget something to open the box. Alright, so as soon as we open up the box, we've got this right here. It comes with a nice little carrying case. Look at that. This will hold all the extra ones that I have. So I have a few different brands. My kids love these things. And it's really soft, it's velvety, and it's drawstring. So that's definitely handy. I like that. Let's see. It comes with a little booklet. Magnetic Building Blocks Guidebook. Let's see what we've got here. Cool. It's got different little things that you can do here with the magnets. It says sunlight, a rocket ship, a windmill, swan, castle, house. Let's see. Oh, that's cool. Robot. My son will like to do that one. I like that it gives you ideas of what to do with them. Alright, let's see. What else? A star with a pentagram in the middle. That's cool because then it shows you how to build it like 3D. Let's see. Oh, they show you how to do the Ferris wheel. And a reindeer. That one's cool. I'm trying to pick out some of the cute ones that I like that my kids might like to do as well. There's a boat, the 3D pig. And then there's an overview of all of them in the back. So these are the 30 pieces and how they're sorted. Let's see. We'll start with the triangles. Now the triangles, it seems that there are 3 different sets. There's ones with, oh no, let me see. There are 2 different sets of the purple. I'm trying to get the purple to snap together, but they don't seem to match up. There are 4 ones with orange and purple, and these ones will all line up like that, but then there's another set of purple and orange that don't match up with these, which is, oh, there it goes. It's finally connecting. All right. So then you get 6 altogether of the orange and purple ones. And then they've got, I don't know why it doesn't automatically fit. All right, so the magnet's got to be a certain way. Okay. And then you've got 6 of the purple and green ones. Let's see. See? It's pretty neat. There, and now we've got our, those are blue and dark blue. We've got our 4 sets of, that's 5, and these are 4. Okay, so we've got 5 each of these ones, and now we've got light blue and dark blue, and that's 5 of those. Magnets are always so much fun. Let's see. Okay. And then we've got, it's more of a pink with a yellow. All right, so they're the 5 of these 2 sets. Then we move on and we've got 4 of these 2 ones. We've got an additional, oh no, this one's different. All right, so I put that one there. So this set is orange and purple. I feel like I should be, doing that magic trick where you snap the rings together and all of a sudden, you know what I mean. All right, so there's that. And then the other set of 4 is blue, no, not blue, purple and green. So there are the 4 of those. These are all the colors for the squares. And you can see it's pretty much the same on the back. It's just the colors are flipped around. It's pretty cool. So those would be all of the colors for the triangles. So they stick really well. Let's see how easy everything fits along into the drawstring bag. And then they fit all in there nicely. The bag seems really well put together. I don't see any seams ripped apart or anything like that. So there you go. I think it's a cool toy, and that is my unboxing video for the I'm probably going to butcher the name, Meigo blocks. And I will leave a link to the description. I will leave a link to the product down below under the description. So if you want to check these out for yourself, feel free. Thanks for watching.